We're just maintaining the same framework that we did last year. Just removing new sprouts that formed in new spatial positions. And sprouts are similar to branches in the photosynthesis issue, but there's a difference from a sprout and a branch, which I'll put on the screen here for you, which can be found in the book Modern Arboriculture by Dr. Shigo. And of course, any pruning that you're going to do to any woody plant, I would strongly suggest reviewing the book Tree Pruning, a Worldwide Photo Guide by the late Dr. Alex L. Shigo. So we take them back, we're leaving some buds here. Basically, we're taking off the sprouts. But the targets are very important. I'll have some pictures here showing you what I mean by not leaving a stub and not wounding the swollen area. I'll give you an example of both. Okay? Okay, it's surprise, surprise. Now it's February 3rd. It's the next day. So I'm going to try to finish this one up here today. What we're going to do first is get the blower and blow the snow off the tree. Very beautiful. A lot of cuts to make, a lot of sprouts to remove. One thing you'll notice is you're going to see the amount of soil compaction or foot stomping past, because the University of Georgia, the soil scientist once at a seminar was saying, if you walk over the same area 27 sometimes, you will compact the soil to its maximum capacity. And that cuts off the free oxygen for the root system for respiration. So see, what some people don't understand is that trees require oxygen. Not only do they give off oxygen, but the other side of the coin is where oxygen is taken in and carbon dioxide and water are given off. And that's respiration. In the Krebs cycle, when the glucose is manufactured from photosynthesis, where carbon dioxide and water are taken in, the glucose is then burned in the Krebs cycle, and oxygen is required. So soil compaction is suffocating many trees. And you can see, so winter, while the water in the soil doesn't freeze, however the water in pockets in the soil does freeze. And while it's frozen, it's probably a good time and for stomping around the trees. Back and forth doing all this pruning of sprouts, there's a lot of compaction. It can cause a lot of compaction. So I'm just going to continue around here and just continue to prune back the sprouts that are growing straight up back to the swollen area, without wounding the swollen area at the base and without leaving a stub. Sometimes you can leave a little bud there at the base if you'd like. So